Hi, today I'm for the POCO C50 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. To add here more applications, by the same way hold them and drag them to the folder. If you want to rename the folder, just click once on the name and enter the new one, for example apps, tap to OK to home button, and we can see that we just successfully renamed our folder. If you want to move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it with the finger. Also we can create the new screens with our folders. So if you want to remove the application from here, we should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, we can remove all of the applications with the folder together in one click just by hold it and drag it to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.